Hi, my name is Addie Boyle and I love to travel. These are some of my favorite places I've been to. My favorite place I've traveled to is definitely Costa Rica. I got to go on so many amazing excursions like horseback riding, spotting sloths in the rainforest, relaxing on the beach, and taking scenic boat rides. Second would be Cape Cod, where my dad grew up. I love how calming and beautiful the scenery was. Barcelona was such an incredible place to visit, and the food was absolutely amazing. I'm a little biased with this one since I was raised there, but the UK holds such a special place in my heart. I love going back every year. It's very nostalgic for me. Finally is Croatia. I spent 2 weeks there. It was absolutely amazing and I want to go back.